Hello, my friends. Today I am in the factory today. We are going to ship out our automatic coiling and strapping machine to our client in China. This is a full set of coiling machine. Normally, you won't have these two parts because generally our main machine will be linked to the extrusion machine. But today we are doing some testing to calculating and regulating the machine. So we have the payoffs, motorized payoff and storage rack. First is the maximum bobbin size for this is 1,000 bobbin. Then we are using a small 630 bobbin for testing. Then here is a vertical type storage rack. Then two parts is not important. So let's go on to the main machine. This unit right here is the meter counting unit, meter counter. Is to measuring the cable length for the existing coil. Then when the wire goes inside here, you can see there is a cutting knife. There is a cutting knife here to cut off the cable to adjust the length of the full coil. This is the coiling part, the most important part. You can see the two robotic hand here to move the cable coil from here to there. Then this machine is the 1246 model, so it's suitable for the cable of the diameters of 3 millimeters to 8 millimeters. Then after the cable being coiled, the cable coil will be placed to here. Then the strap will go around it, the coil. Then pack it with the plastic strap. Here is the whole process. Later on, there will be a general process for the heat shrinking packaging machine. Then after that, it will be a heat shrinking oven. Then the full packaging size will be like this. The finished size will be like this. So this is a general process in the Middle East and Southeast Asia market. So we will be doing more this machine in the future. So if you are interested, please contact me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Hi, this is Luca. Now you can see our tiny machine with the coder. The speed is 100 meter per minute. Attention lens with probing from here.